ethics, people have no future. This is to say, mankind without them cannot be itself. Ethics determine choices and action and also suggest difficult priorities. By this, we should never forget to put human values and professional ethics over any other responsibilities. Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Singh. Welcome you all. Today, I had like to share how we can use a Bloom taxonomy based activity can deepen pupils' understanding and also help them to engage more meaningfully with these materials.
Solution, but the best possible solution जो आपकी टीम आप ग्रुप डिस्कशन से निकाल सकते हैं और उसको fancy, beautiful बनाने के लिए we have all the stationeries lined up over here. The only problem is आप जब आपस में डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के टाइम तब आप उस पे लिख देंगे कि these are the stationery which will be required for my activity.
Students willingly engaged in an experiential learning academic activity where they work together in team to design human values as well as professional ethics by applying project and also by applying their knowledge and skills at one place.
So firstly, we have named our village Khushiyon Ki Basti because in a village it's important that every person is happy, and for giving it a rural kick we have written in Hindi.
One side of the road में एक हमने हाउस को रिप्रेजेंट किया है वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम, कि टाइम की कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस होती है हमारी लाइफ में, ह्यूमन वैल्यूज का वन ऑफ द पॉइंट, और एक सिंबल ऑफ ब्रदरहुड कि हमें यूनिटी में रहना चाहिए सबको एक साथ.
Then next we have a house as it represents family, the care, the empathy, the love that is spread all over the family members.
And in the center we have represented groundhood and road. So, and the quote we have is honesty is the best policy.
Here we have the honesty market, caring animal shelter, and the NGO, which is a respect NGO.
And in college we learn about our ethics, work ethics and other things. And from our house, especially from our house, we learn the values, the human values which we have to show to others, what we really are and what we are showing to others and our surrounding. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and it's really take a courage to work in a team.
The task required them to gather resources, brainstorm creativity, and execute their plans and coordination and precision. The activity was closely supervised by Ms. Priyanka Singh and by Ms. Ritika Jangra, Assistant Professor and Subject Expert in Human Values and Professional Ethics subject, who monitored the progress of each team with care. In this activity, the students are given different situations like to build human values houses, to build professional ethics city, and to come up with storytelling presentation by applying various criteria and situation.
मेरे पास प्रोफेसर पायल बंसल हैं पूर्णिमा यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर से. मैं इनके कैंपस में गया था लास्ट मंथ, और अच्छा, बहुत लवली, बहुत प्यारा, बहुत फेमस कैंपस है, और ये एक आइडिया लैब चलाती हैं. सो आई इनवाइट प्रोफेसर पायल हियर टू एड्रेस टू यू फॉर 2 minutes.
Very good afternoon to everyone. Almost good evening. It's 4 now. First of all, very wonderful activity. I must thankful to sir and Rakhi ma'am, as I have seen that you are doing such activities as you are students of mass communication, if I am not wrong. As very well said by sir, that this time is of multidisciplinary time. What do you think so? Each and everybody. अपन जनरल लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं, as we are thinking कि IT सेक्टर चल रहा है, IT सेक्टर चल रहा है, इंजीनियर्स चल रहे हैं, और इंजीनियर्स में भी बस वो चल रहे हैं जो कंप्यूटर पे काम करते हैं.
On students' request, they also thoughtfully granted additional time on 2 separate occasions, ensuring students could refine and enhance their work to be highest standards. Throughout the activity, Dr. Rakhi provided valuable guidance and motivation by supporting students in the right direction. A major highlight of the session was the final presentation phase, where each team confidently showcased their completed work before peers. and also invited guests serving as client and also shared their personal feedback, emphasizing on their learning.
So the topic which we got was basically the positive and the negative quality or human, a positive personality or a negative personality holds. So we've got some words which were related to the human development. So that word, respect, positive thinking, anger, cheating, innovation, and again, positive thinking.
Loneliness is when you are around 1,000 of people, but you think that you are lonely, you are alone, you don't have anybody to share your feelings. But solitude is even when you are alone, you think that you are complete and you are complete in your own self.
And one thing which I have learned here is actually मैं या फिर काफी लोग ये समझते थे कि टीम वर्क सिर्फ उनके साथ हो सकता है जिनको आप जानते हो, जिनके साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग हो. बट थैंक्स टू प्रियंका मैम ने हम सबके ग्रुप्स रैंडमली डिसाइड किए एंड ट्रस्ट मी हम सबने साथ मिलके काम किया जो कि एक्चुअल टीम वर्क डिसाइड करता है एंड वी ऑल हैव एंजॉयड इट अ लॉट.
बट within suggesting the solution, we should always have discipline. We should remain respectful and maintain our tone with the person we are talking to, because if we don't maintain our respect and discipline, then the person in front won't be able to understand us. So this is our down of values. Thank you very much.
This has not only demonstrated their ethical proficiency, but also helped them to identify their moral ability to communicate ideas clearly and defend their design decision professionally. Students expressed great satisfaction in working together and shared how the activity strengthened their problem-solving ability, teamwork, and presentation skills as well.
I hope you have opted one person which will represent your product over here. Just take a minute or so to represent everything according to the question. You can come up here with two of your batchmates which can handle the chart paper so that you can explain it clearly, okay?
Students also quoted through this activity they learned to perform in teamwork but with new members. The event concluded with an inspiring address given by Professor Aman Huda, Director BVI CAM, who emphasized the significance of applying flipped classroom and how this type of learning approach helps to gain awareness about the subject, and he also highlighted that implementing of Bloom taxonomy in classroom model is also essential.
क्लासरूम में कराने का पर्पस ये है कि आप उस पर्पस को उस ऑब्जेक्टिव को पूरा कर सके, ये बेसिक पर्पस. ऑल्सो वंस यू आर डूइंग इट, बी पैशनेट अबाउट इट. पैशन कहाँ से आएगा? जब आप उसको अच्छे से एंजॉय करें. तो जब आप प्रेजेंट करने आए यहाँ, तो आपको आपने क्या बनाया है, क्या क्रिएट किया है, हाउ हैव यू सक्सेसफुली ट्रांसफर्ड और हाउ हैव यू सक्सेसफुली ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट नॉलेज एंड स्किल into a working product or a working kind of environment, having a positive attitude. ये आपको बताना है कौन से human values and क्या professional ethics आप apply करके लेकर आए.
Professor Huda underscored that such experiential learning initiatives play a vital role in bridge the gap between among industry, academia and industry, shaping students into confident, skilled and industry-ready professionals. He encouraged students to prioritize assessment and implementation over rote learning. Through this type of experiential learning activity, the students will able to gain concept clarity, analyze various subjects related to it, gain knowledge and introspect themselves. So by this, students have enjoyed and have fun performing this activity. Thank you.